The cost of trucks has skyrocketed. New pickups can easily hit $50,000, but reliability and durability don't always match the price tag. Today, we're examining 12 trucks that deliver solid performance without breaking the bank. These aren't just basic work vehicles. Each one offers specific advantages for budget-conscious buyers. Starting at number 12, the first-generation Chevrolet Colorado and GMC Canyon, produced from 2004 to 2012. These mid-size trucks replace the S10 and Sonoma lines, bringing modern features at declining prices. Early models from 2004 to 2007 regularly sell under $5,000, particularly two-wheel drive versions. The unique inline five-cylinder engine generates 220 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque, respectable numbers for a mid-size truck. However, buyers should listen carefully for valve seat issues, indicated by ticking sounds or misfires. The timing chain design proves more reliable than belt-driven competitors, saving $500 to $800 in maintenance costs every 60,000 miles. Rust poses problems in northern regions, particularly around the rear wheel wells and frame mounting points. The electrical systems deserve thorough inspection, with dashboard circuit boards commonly failing after 100,000 miles. A complete cluster replacement costs between $200 to $400 plus programming. The four-wheel drive system uses proven components from the S10 platform, making repairs straightforward and parts readily available. Base models equipped with the 2.8-liter four-cylinder engine deliver better fuel economy but struggle with heavy loads. The Z71 off-road package adds valuable upgrades to the suspension and differential, though these models typically command a $1,500 to $2,000 premium. Number 11 introduces an overlooked gem, the Mitsubishi Raider. Built from 2006 to 2009, this rebadged Dodge Dakota benefits from Dodge's parts bin while suffering steeper depreciation. The mechanical compatibility with Dakota components keeps repair costs reasonable, with most parts running 20 to 30% less than equivalent Dakota pieces due to lower demand. The base 3.7-liter V6 engine produces 210 horsepower and 235 pound-feet of torque, proving adequate for most tasks. Four-cylinder manual transmission models offer exceptional value, often selling well below market expectations, typically $2,000 to $3,000 less than comparable Dakotas. The 6-foot bed configuration provides practical cargo capacity while maintaining manageable overall length. Fuel economy averages 16 City 22 highway, with the V6 matching segment competitors. The transfer case in 4x4 models shares design with the Dakota, making replacement parts readily available. Watch for transmission cooling line corrosion, a $300 to $400 repair if caught early. The factory bedliner proves surprisingly durable, though tailgate handle mechanisms commonly fail after 100,000 miles. Finding reliable trucks at reasonable prices requires insider knowledge. Hit subscribe for more detailed automotive analysis, backed by decades of industry experience. The 10th position goes to the second-generation Dodge Ram 1500, spanning 1994 to 2001. This truck revolutionized pickup design with its bold styling. High production numbers mean plenty of options on the used market. Early models from 94 to 98 frequently appear under $3,000 with higher mileage. The 5.2-liter V8 engine proves particularly durable, commonly reaching 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Output ratings of 230 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque remain competitive today. The automatic transmission demands particular attention during inspection. Look for smooth shifting and clean transmission fluid. Transmission rebuilds run $1,800 to $2,500, making thorough evaluation critical. These trucks often develop characteristic rust patterns around wheel wells and rocker panels, requiring $500 to $1,000 per side for proper repair. The front suspension design, while robust, requires regular ball joint and tie rod maintenance every 80,000 to 100,000 miles, costing $600 to $800 for complete service. Interior components hold up remarkably well, though dashboard cracks commonly appear in southern states. The factory brake system uses oversized rotors, providing excellent stopping power, but increasing replacement costs by roughly 20% compared to competitors. Ranking ninth, Toyota's first-generation Tacoma deserves serious consideration. Despite commanding higher prices than domestic competitors, early models from 1995 to 1997 with over 200,000 miles can drop below $5,000. The 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine delivers exceptional reliability and fuel economy, regularly achieving 23 to 25 mpg highway. This power plant produces 142 horsepower and 160 pound-feet of torque, modest numbers that prioritize longevity over performance. Frame integrity requires careful inspection due to notorious rust issues, particularly around suspension mounting points. Toyota's recall program replaced many frames, adding significant value to documented examples. V6 models need timing belt service every 90,000 miles, a $600 to $800 maintenance item. The manual transmission proves nearly bulletproof, though clutch replacement costs remain higher than domestic competitors at $800 to $1,000. Four-wheel drive systems maintain remarkable durability, but front CV joints require inspection every 60,000 miles, with replacement pairs costing $300 to $400. The eighth spot belongs to the 10th generation Ford F-150, produced from 1997 to 2003. America's best-selling vehicle offers abundant parts availability and straightforward maintenance. Two-wheel drive variants from 97 to 2000 present exceptional value, commonly priced between $2,000 to $5,000. The 4.6-liter V8 provides better long-term reliability than the 5.4-liter, producing 220 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. Spark plug replacement in Triton V8 engines requires special attention, as the aluminum heads can strip threads. Complete cylinder head repair can exceed $2,000 if threads are damaged. The electrical system proves robust, though alternator replacement becomes common past 150,000 miles. A $200 to $300 repair. Inspect cab corners and bed supports for rust, especially in vehicles that carried heavy loads. The automatic transmission typically reaches 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, but cooling system integrity directly impacts longevity. Regular fluid changes every 30,000 miles add years to transmission life. Landing at number 7, the early 2000s Toyota Tundra might surprise value-seeking buyers. While Toyota products typically hold value tenaciously, first-generation Tundras from 2000 to 2003 sometimes appear in the $5,000 to $7,000 range. The 4.7-liter V8 engine delivers 245 horsepower and 315 pound-feet of torque, with remarkable smoothness and proven reliability. Timing belt replacement intervals of 90,000 miles cost $600 to $800 but prevent catastrophic failure. Frame rust prompted recalls, making documentation of replacements crucial. The automatic transmission rarely gives trouble, but differential seals can leak on high-mileage examples, requiring $400 to $600 in repairs. These trucks offer full-size capability with 17 to 19 mpg highway fuel economy. The extended cab configuration provides practical space without excessive weight, contributing to better overall durability. Lower control arm bushings typically require replacement at 120,000 miles, a $400 to $500 repair that significantly improves handling. Moving to number 6, the Mazda B-Series truck deserves serious attention. Running from 1998 to 2009, these Ford Ranger twins offer exceptional value. The Mazda badge typically reduces prices by 15 to 20% compared to equivalent Rangers. The 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 143 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque, delivers remarkable efficiency, averaging 25 miles per gallon highway. High-mileage examples under $4,000 appear regularly, particularly 1998 to 2003 models. The manual transmission proves especially durable, often exceeding 200,000 miles without major repairs. Automatic transmissions require careful inspection of shift quality, with rebuilds costing $1,800 to $2,200. Front suspension components, particularly ball joints and tie rods, need replacement around 120,000 miles, a $500 to $600 service. The 4.0-liter V6 offers 207 horsepower, but increases maintenance costs significantly, with timing chain tensioners requiring attention at higher mileages. The fifth position goes to the GMT 800 platform, Chevrolet Silverado, and GMC Sierra 1500, spanning 1999 to 2006. These full-size trucks revolutionized ride quality with hydroform frame rails. Two-wheel drive variants from 1999 to 2003 regularly appear under $5,000. The 4.8-liter V8 proves exceptionally reliable, producing 270 horsepower and 285 pound-feet of torque, while maintaining better fuel economy than the 5.3-liter option. Oil consumption becomes notable past 150,000 miles, typically requiring 1 quart every 2,000 to 3,000 miles. The 4-speed automatic transmission demonstrates remarkable durability when serviced regularly. Brake lines require thorough inspection, as factory-coated steel lines corrode in northern regions. Complete brake line replacement runs $800 to $1,200, but prevents catastrophic failure. The factory air conditioning system typically needs receiver dryer replacement at 100,000 miles, a $300 to $400 repair that significantly improves performance. Speaking of performance, our channel delivers weekly insights on maintaining these trucks. Subscribe now for exclusive maintenance tips and market analysis. Number 4 introduces the versatile Dodge Dakota, produced from 1997 to 2004. This right-sized truck splits the difference between compact and full-size dimensions. The unique size classification reduces competition in the used market, keeping prices between $2,500 to $5,000 for well-maintained examples. The 3.9-liter V6 engine provides adequate power with 175 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. The optional 5.2-liter V8 delivers 230 horsepower, but demands premium fuel for optimal performance. Transmission cooling merits attention, particularly in V8 models. Auxiliary coolers cost $200 to $300, but prevent expensive failures. Rocker panel rust requires early intervention, with proper repair costs reaching $600 to $800 per side. The factory steering box commonly develops play at 100,000 miles, requiring a $400 to $500 replacement. Extended cab models offer practical space without the premium commanded by quad cab configurations. Landing at number 3, the first-generation Nissan Frontier spans 1998 to 2004. These often overlooked trucks deliver exceptional value, with early 2000s models ranging from $3,000 to $6,000. The base 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine produces 143 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque, providing adequate performance with excellent efficiency. The optional V6 adds significant capability but increases maintenance costs by roughly 30%. Timing belt service intervals of 105,000 miles cost $600 to $700 for V6 models. The manual transmission proves nearly indestructible, though clutch replacement at 150,000 miles runs $700 to $800. Four-wheel drive systems demonstrate remarkable durability, though front CV axles typically need replacement at 120,000 miles. The Desert Runner package adds valuable suspension upgrades without the complexity of full four-wheel drive. Taking second place, the Chevrolet S10 and GMC Sonoma twins from 1994 to 2004 offer incredible value. Late 1990s to early 2000s, models frequently sell between $2,000 to $4,000. The 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 120 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque, delivers exceptional reliability with proper maintenance. The optional 4.3-liter V6 provides 190 horsepower, but requires more frequent maintenance. Electronic fuel pump failures become common past 150,000 miles, a $400 to $500 repair. The 4-speed automatic transmission proves durable when serviced every 30,000 miles. Extended cab models suffer less structural fatigue than competitors, though rear spring hanger rust requires inspection. The ZR2 off-road package adds significant capability, but demands careful inspection of unique suspension components. And finally, claiming the top spot, the Ford Ranger, produced from 1998 to 2011. This compact truck's long production run ensures abundant parts availability and straightforward repairs. Early models from 1998 to 2003 regularly appear under $5,000, even with moderate mileage. The 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine, generating 143 horsepower and 154 pound-feet of torque, delivers exceptional reliability and fuel economy. The 4.0-liter V6 option provides 207 horsepower, but increases operating costs significantly. Manual transmission models prove especially durable, often exceeding 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Frame rail integrity requires thorough inspection, particularly near the cab mounts. The FX4 off-road package adds valuable upgrades without compromising reliability. Regular cab models offer the best value, typically running $1,000 to $1,500 less than extended cab variants. Remember, with any of these trucks, professional inspection before purchase pays dividends. Focus on structural integrity, drivetrain condition, and maintenance history. These 12 options prove that reliable trucking doesn't require breaking the bank. Just informed shopping and careful evaluation.